Thanks for tuning in to another video. This is Rebecca with Digital Thinker, and today I will be demonstrating the document request screen that was released in Hexagon EAM version 12.2. Let's jump in and walk through a use case. Let's say I'm responsible for planning an engine overhaul scheduled for next month. As I am checking the availability of replacement parts and preparing to submit an order, I realize the manufacturer, who also happens to be the supplier, has released an updated version of the overhaul kits. What I can do is submit a document repository request. The new document request screen will need to be added to the applicable user group menus along with status authorizations for the DORQ entity. Here on the document request screen, I can start by entering a description of the request. Then I can designate whether I want to request a new document or update existing. To update existing, as we wish to do in this case, the DOCOVRWR install parameter must be set to yes. This allows for uploaded documents to be updated. Next, I can search for and select the document that needs to be updated. Keep in mind, the organization on the document request must match the organization associated with the document. You'll notice there is also a notes field to add additional details and the ability to lock the document upon approval. This supports the lock-unlock functionality. Next, I'm going to save, then upload the new document. Once the document has uploaded, you can handle the review and approval process with inboxes, email notifications, or even set up an approval workflow. For demonstration purposes, my user has the authorizations to review and approve the request. As a user responsible for managing the document repository, you can view the revised document. In my example, this would be the updated version of the overhaul kits. You can also reference where the document is used in EAM. This information is visible on the Where Used tab. Now, if I proceed with approving this request, the document will be replaced with the newly uploaded document. This is visible on the Upload History tab on the document screen. So now, when users are planning for an engine overhaul, the updated list of kits will be easily available. Because the upload history is maintained, there's always the ability to revert to the previous version. Let us know how you are managing documents in EAM in the comments below, and check back soon for more content related to Hexagon EAM. Thank you.